Espresso makes mornings brighter. Add a milk steamer, and your kitchen becomes a mini cafe. The right machine creates smooth shots, creamy froth, and saves coffee shop trips. Below are the best espresso machines with milk steamers for every budget and space. Number 1. Best overall, premium quality and performance CASABREWS CM5418 Espresso Machine 20 bar. Built for coffee lovers who want cafe-style results at home. Strong pump, durable build, and excellent steaming. Features about CASABREWS CM5418 Espresso Machine. 20 bar professional pump. Stainless steel housing. Manual steam wand for frothing. 34-ounce removable water tank. Why like it? Powerful pressure extracts bold espresso with thick crema. Frother makes lattes and cappuccinos smooth and rich. Sturdy design looks professional. Why didn't like it? Takes more counter space. Not the simplest choice for total beginners. Number 2. Best budget, affordable without compromise espresso machine with grinder. Affordable and compact. Grinder plus brewer means fresh-tasting coffee without extra equipment. Features about espresso machine with grinder. Built-in grinder for fresh beans. 15 bar pump for espresso shots. Small footprint saves space. Basic milk frother included. Why like it? Low price but solid performance. Fresh grinding improves flavor compared to pre-ground. Easy to use for beginners. Why didn't like it? Grinder holds a small amount. Frother is simple and not suited for latte art. Number 3. Best value, perfect balance of price and features DeLonghi Classic Espresso Machine with milk frother. Reliable espresso maker with fair pricing. Balanced mix of features for everyday use. Features about DeLonghi Classic Espresso Machine with milk frother. 15 bar professional pump. Stainless steel boiler. Manual frother for foam. Compact design fits most kitchens. Why like it? Dependable espresso with good flavor. Frother makes creamy cappuccinos. Trusted brand name with reasonable cost. Why didn't like it? Manual frothing takes practice. Small water tank needs frequent refills. Number 4. Best premium choice, advanced features and design Chardayer Espresso Machine 20 bar with milk frother steam wand. Modern design packed with advanced brewing options. A top-tier choice for home baristas. Features about Chardayer Espresso Machine. 20 bar high-pressure pump. Professional steam wand with full motion. Digital temp control system. Elegant stainless steel finish. Why like it? Consistent, cafe-style espresso. Precise steaming for lattes. Sleek look upgrades any kitchen setup. Why didn't like it? Higher cost. May feel advanced for beginners who prefer simplicity. Number 5. Best compact option, space-saving and efficient CASABREWS CM5418J Espresso Machine 20 bar. Small in size, big in performance. Great for apartments or kitchens with limited space. Features about CASABREWS CM5418J Espresso Machine. 20 bar extraction pressure. Slim design. Adjustable milk steamer. Removable water reservoir. Why like it? Compact but powerful. Frother works well for cappuccinos and lattes. Easy cleaning and setup. Why didn't like it? Small tank capacity. Not ideal for heavy, daily use. A quality espresso machine with a milk steamer brings cafe drinks home. Some models shine with budget pricing, while others focus on advanced features. From compact to premium, there's a fit for every coffee lover. Pick one, and enjoy smooth espresso and creamy lattes without leaving your kitchen.